Hello students, welcome. This is your E-class of the history and I am Snehali ma'am. I am going to welcome you. So again we are moving towards history. We have finished our 2 lessons from the civics. You have time to complete your exercise. On Thursday we don't have our period, and then on the Friday we are taking the test. I am going to conduct a test on lesson number 1 and 2 of the civics. So be prepared for that. You have to remember that you have test on Friday for the civics, and that would be only on the long answers, means no objectives. Okay. So now we are going to start our lesson number 4, the freedom struggle of 1857. All of you very well known about the revolt of 1857. So that we have to study here in the detail. We are going to each and every detail of the 1857, their result, their causes. Just I am giving a just overlook on this struggle of 1857, that the revolt of 1857 is also known as the Great Revolt of 1857 or the Sepoy Mutiny of 1857. This is the another name for the revolt of 1857, that Sepoy Mutiny of 1857. The Sepoys of India, who were oppressed by the British for a long time, revolted. This Sepoy means जो इंडियन आर्मी थी, जो सैनिक थे, भारतीय जो सैनिक थे, उनको यहाँ पे बोला गया है सेपॉय. सो द फर्स्ट इनिशिएटिव वॉज टेकन बाय द सेपॉय मंगल पांडे. He had shot a British general. The British had ordered to arrest the Mangal Pandey, but Indian sepoy did not follow his instructions. Under the leadership of Mangal Pandey, on 29 March 1857, the Indian sepoy marched to Delhi and made the Nawab of Delhi the Emperor of India. After that, many revolts broke out in India, but the British had been successful in the oppressing all of them. ऐसे छोटे मोटे बहुत रिवोल्ट हुए, लेकिन ब्रिटिशर्स ने उनको यानी कि ब्रिटिशर्स ने उनको दबा दिया था, उनको सप्रेस्ड कर लिया था. The Bengali middle class people were, however, apathetic to the revolt of 1857. Even they did not want the revolt to be successful, and this was because they feared that if the British would go back, then India would return to its age of darkness again. क्योंकि कोलकाता में या फिर वेस्ट बंगाल में बहुत ही प्रॉस्पेरिटी लेके आए थे ये जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे. वहाँ के लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा मिल गया था. तो ये जो मिडिल क्लास थे, बंगाली लोग थे, उनको ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि ब्रिटिश इंडिया से जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनको ऐसा लग रहा था अगर ब्रिटिश इंडिया से चले गए तो हम फिर से अपने डार्कनेस में वापस चले जाएंगे, हमारा एम्प्लॉयमेंट चला जाएगा, हमारी जो भी कुछ प्रॉस्पेरिटी है वो भी सब कुछ चली जाएगी. एंड the little money and status that they had acquired during the British rule would be lost. Although the revolt of 1857 was unsuccessful, yes, that the struggle of 1857 was unsuccessful, and it is in the some cases identified as the first war of independence. That V.D. Savarkar write a book on this, the Indian War of Independence 1857. So this was the overview of the freedom struggle of 1857. Let's see the introduction. In the 1857, a great struggle took place in the India which completely shook the British government. Though it was the unsuccessful revolt, ये अनसक्सेसफुल होने के बावजूद भी इसने ब्रिटिशर्स को टोटली शुक आउट किया था, उनको हिला दिया था. This struggle did not arise all of a sudden. Earlier as well, many struggles took place in the India against the British. एकदम से एक रात में ये 1857 का रिवोल्ट अराइज नहीं हुआ था, जिसके पीछे बहुत सारे रीजन्स थे और छोटे छोटे ऐसे रिवोल्ट्स भी होते रहते थे, जिसका एक रिजल्ट था ये 1857 का रिवोल्ट. The scope of the struggle of 1857 and its background was taken into consideration by V.D. Savarkar in his book The Indian War of Independence 1857. Later, many revolutionaries got inspiration from it to the fight against the ब्रिटिश. ये जो 1857 का रिवॉल्ट था वो बहुत सारे रिवॉल्यूशनरीज के लिए एक इंस्पायरेशन था और ये अनसक्सेसफुल होने के बावजूद भी इसने ब्रिटिशर्स के मन में एक फियर क्रिएट किया था दैट द इंडियंस कैन डू एनीथिंग. So from the next video we are going to explain this lesson. Now I am going to stop here. You have to go through the lesson from your textbook. You have to read it twice and then from the Monday we will start this lesson, the freedom struggle of 1857. Thank you.